When iPhone notifications not working, there are issues that don't work and we tend to miss many messages, calls, emails and reminders. Given below are 8 quick ways to fix push notifications iPhone not working issue. Let's get to know them. 1. Restart iPhone. Restarting your iPhone is a common way to system or software glitches. It is concluded that performing a restart can be a good choice. 2. Check if your iPhone is in silent mode. Many times, users put their iPhone on silent mode and forget about it. So check if your iPhone is in silent mode. 3. Update iOS on iPhone. To update iOS software on your iPhone, go to Settings, choose General, and click Software Update. If there is an available update, press the Download and Install button to confirm your update. The updating process will begin. 4. Check whether or not Do Not Disturb is activated. Turn off Do Not Disturb option if it is enabled. With Do Not Disturb, you can silence calls and notifications. 5. Check app notifications. Go to Settings, select Notifications. Check if the notifications for certain apps are muted. Click on the app whose notifications are not working on the iPhone and turn on Allow Notifications. 6. Connect to a stable network. You need a stable internet connection to support all your apps and their push notifications. Make sure your Wi-Fi network or cellular data is working. 7. Restore iPhone. Open iTunes and connect your iPhone to the trusted computer with original USB. Click the iPhone icon after it displays on the screen and then tap on Summary. If you don't back up before, you can choose Backup Now. After backup, you just press on Restore iPhone to factory reset your device. Don't forget to touch the Restore Backup button to get all data back to your iPhone. 8. Use Joyoshare UltFix, System Repair. It is a professional iOS repair tool can fix more than 150 iPhone issues. Not only iPhone, but also iPad, iPod Touch. Firstly, install and launch Joyoshare UltFix on the computer. Plug your iPhone to the computer. After that, press the Start button to proceed. You are now in the mode selection window. It is enough to select the standard mode, which will not cause any data loss. Then press the Next button. In this menu, there is a guideline how to put iPhone into DFU or recovery mode, and we need to put iPhone into DFU or recovery mode. Some of the info about your iPhone will be displayed on the screen. Make sure all the info is correct and change the wrong parts. Then press the Download button to download the matching firmware package. Lastly, click the Repair button. The downloaded firmware package will be unzipped, and the program will start to fix your iPhone issue. A few minutes later, the repairing process will finish, and your iPhone will come back to the normal.